As a college student, you will often have to take tests in order to pass your class. Some students experience stress and anxiety with taking a test. To help eliminate test anxiety, I have created this workshop to help you become a successful test taker. The best way to be a successful test taker is learning time management. 1 week before the test, be sure to create a study schedule. This will help you stay on track with time management. You can organize your study time using a planner. Blue Ridge Community College provides planners to students, so ask a student success advisor if you need one. 1 week before the test, it is recommended that you study each day and maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you are experiencing lots of anxiety and can't seem to manage your time, feel free to schedule an appointment with the Blue Ridge Student Success Advisor. Time management is also important the day before the test, right before the test, and during the test. The day before the test, you should relax and remind yourself that you are ready. Make sure to go to sleep at a reasonable hour and do something relaxing during the day, such as reading a book or going on a run. Right before the test, you should practice a relaxation technique such as a breathing exercise or mindfulness meditation. As you are about to begin, tell yourself, "I can do this." During the test, remember to stay calm and take deep breaths. Pace yourself and don't stress about how fast other classmates are getting their tests done. Now I will talk about test anxiety. Test anxiety is a psychological condition in which a person experiences distress before, during, or after an exam to such an extent that this anxiety causes poor performance or interferes with normal learning. Some causes of test anxiety include cramming the night before, poor time management, stressing over failing, and competition with classmates. Physical signs of test anxiety include perspiration, headache, tense muscles, rapid heartbeat, upset stomach, and dry mouth. The impacts of having test anxiety can include going blank during a test, remembering answers after the test, doing poorly even when prepared, and having difficulty organizing your thoughts. If you experience test anxiety, there are some strategies to reduce this. You can practice good study habits, get plenty of sleep, keep caffeine intake at a moderate level, avoid last-minute studying and negative thoughts, eat a well-balanced diet, stay hydrated, and exercise regularly. Throughout college, you will experience different testing formats. For multiple choice tests, you should read questions carefully, underline words that stand out, eliminate wrong answers, and be careful when changing answers. Essay questions can be stressful, especially when you're limited on time. Some tips for this is read all questions, answer the easiest questions first, make an outline and mark off information as you write it, and write legible and complete sentences. True or false questions can be tricky. Some tips to manage this are, if part of the statement is false, the answer is false. Beware of absolute words such as never, none, and always. Double negatives tend to show a positive statement, and the word not does not always make a false statement. Hopefully, this workshop has helped you learn how to prepare and pass your tests while in college. Good luck on your tests!